What to add to an old septic tank to restart solid breakdown? An old septic tank can stop working properly when solid waste builds up faster than it breaks down. This often causes slow drains, bad smells, backups, and extra sludge inside the tank. Many homeowners search for what to add to an old septic tank to restart solid breakdown because they want a simple and affordable solution before calling a septic professional. The good news is that certain septic-safe additives can help restore healthy bacteria and improve waste digestion naturally. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Best things to add to an old septic tank. 1. Bacteria-based septic treatments. The most effective solution is a biological septic treatment. These products contain live bacteria that help digest waste, grease, paper, and sludge inside the tank. Benefits include faster solid breakdown, less odor, better tank performance, reduce sludge buildup. Choose products designed specifically for old or sluggish septic systems. 2. Enzyme septic additives. Enzymes help break large waste particles into smaller pieces so bacteria can digest them more easily. Common enzymes include lipase for grease, protease for proteins, cellulase for toilet paper and organic matter. Enzyme treatments work best when combined with bacteria additives. 3. Septic-safe organic boosters. Some homeowners use natural boosters like yeast or molasses-based products to stimulate bacterial growth. While not as powerful as professional treatments, they may help support microbial activity in older tanks. What you should never add: avoid harmful chemicals because they can kill the beneficial bacteria your septic system needs. Never add 1. Bleach in large amounts. 2. Drain cleaners with strong chemicals. 3. Paint or solvents. 4. Cooking grease and oils. 5. Non-biodegradable wipes. These materials can slow or completely stop solid breakdown. Tips to keep your septic tank working: follow these simple habits to improve septic performance. Pump the tank regularly. Use less water during heavy usage days. Avoid antibacterial cleaners. Flush only septic-safe materials. Use monthly bacteria treatments. Proper maintenance helps extend the life of your septic system. If you are wondering what to add to an old septic tank to restart solid breakdown, the best option is usually a bacteria and enzyme-based septic treatment. These products help restore natural digestion, reduce sludge, and improve overall tank performance. Combined with good maintenance habits, they can help an older septic system continue working efficiently for many years. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.